Okay, viewers, today I'm going to show you a brand new AI tool that is truly a game changer. Higgsfield AI has just launched a new tool called MCP, and with this tool, you can create powerful ads with just one click. Let me show you a few YouTube channels that are currently trending. These channels are using AI to grow fast and generate massive views. First, take a look at Lucky Luca, Belmar, then Megalomedia, and there are many more. Like these creators are using AI to produce content, build their presence, and even monetize their channels. So this is just an example of what's possible now. Without wasting any time, let's move to today's main tool. Let's get started. Okay, viewers. First of all, you need to open the official website of Higgsfield AI. As you already know, this website is absolutely amazing. Every single day, every single week, it keeps launching new and powerful tools. Honestly, this platform is designed to solve almost every creator's problem. Whether you need videos, images, audio ads, or even full marketing solutions, this website provides tools for everything. Now, if I show you the image tools, you'll see that they have released a huge number of features recently. They launched their GPT Image 2. And it is currently trending massively in the marketing space. Now let's talk about video tools. They also offer a wide range of powerful video generation tools. And the same goes for audio. There are multiple tools available for audio creation as well. So viewers, this platform is constantly improving and bringing better tools every single day. Recently, they launched 3 major tools this week: Canvas MCP and the GPT Image 2. But in today's video, our main focus is on Higgsfield MCP in this video. I'll explain everything about MCP in detail. Now, one of the most powerful features is that it provides integration with Claude with the help of Claude. I will show you how to generate both images and videos. Okay, viewers, as you can see here, there are multiple options available. OpenClaw, Hermes, and NamoClaw in total. You get 4 different options here, and today we will be using them step by step before we start. Let me give you a quick overview of this tool. With MCP, you can generate both images and videos for image generation. It uses advanced models like Sol and Nano Banana, and for video generation, it uses tools like Seedance Kling Veo. On top of that, you also get access to the ad engine. This means you can simply write one prompt and generate ads across multiple niches instantly. For example, UGC ads, TV style ads, product ads, all in one go. And the best part, you don't need to upload any images or videos. Just write your prompt and your video will be ready automatically. That's how powerful this tool is. Now, if we scroll further, you can see more features like from zero to profitable, meaning you can build complete monetizable content from scratch. It also offers automatic content generation for any need. For example, it can generate full product listings, even up to dozens of items. You can also use it to get ideas, inspirations, and content strategies. No matter what type of content you want, UGC tutorials, unboxing, hypermotion product ads, TV commercials, everything is available here. Another powerful feature is concept to content in one conversation. That means you can go from idea to final content within a single workflow, whether it's for e-commerce, social media, or marketing. This tool handles everything. In asset creation, you get full production capabilities with multimodal support. You can generate single images, multiple images, single videos, or even multiple videos, all with just one click. And if you have any questions, you can always check their support section on the left side to quickly solve your issues. All right, viewers, now let's move to the practical part. Let's start using the tool first. I'm going to open the OpenClaw settings. Let's begin. Go to the settings option and log in. You'll see the connectors section. Go to General Connectors and click on Add Custom Connector. Now you'll be given a custom connector ID. Simply paste the remote MCP connector ID here for the name. You can write anything. I'll name it Higgsfield, then click on Add. As you can see, the connector has been added successfully. Now click on Connect, wait a few seconds, and now it's connected perfect. Now I'll go back and open a new chat before starting. Click on the plus icon and confirm that Higgsfield is connected. This means whatever Claude AI generates will now be powered by Higgsfield. All right, Now let's make things more interesting by creating a real ad. I already have an image prompt ready. It shows a girl relaxing in a bathtub surrounded by beauty products. Now I'll paste the prompt and click on Generate. As you can see, the models are being explored. Since this is your first time, it will ask for permission. Click Yes. Now it shows that the image will be generated using Nano Banana 2. I'll click on Always Allow. And now the image generation has started. The image is currently processing. You can choose any aspect ratio you want. 45, 916, or 169. It's up to you. Now let's wait a few seconds, and here is the result. Oh my God, this is exactly what I wanted. It even added a clean logo automatically. Now I'll save this image. After saving it, I'll use the same image again and convert it into a video this time. I'll create multiple scenes, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and more. Each scene will represent a different style: UGC unboxing product, showcase, and hypermotion. Now I'll upload the image again, add scene instructions, and set the aspect ratio to 9 scenes vertical for video generation. We will use Seedance 2.0 and Killing 3.0. Now after submitting, let's wait. As you can see, the image to video process has started. The first video is being generated using Seedance 2.0 and Killing 3.0, also processing. And the third video is also in progress, so now multiple videos are being generated. At the same time, you just need to wait around 1 to 2 minutes, and now the results are ready. Oh my God, all scenes have been generated automatically. Let's take a look. The first one is in UGC social media style. The second one is unboxing style, showing the product in action. The third one is a luxury beauty ad, and another scene also shows how the product is used. And finally, this last one is a hypermotion ad, very dynamic and eye-catching. Okay, viewers, this is absolutely amazing. The MCP system inside Higgsfield combined with Claude AI is extremely powerful. You can see the results yourself. I'm honestly impressed. With just one click, your images are ready, your videos are ready, and your ads are ready. You can easily generate 50 to 60 ads continuously without any extra effort. Now, if we talk about upgrades, you can see offers on Kling 30 and Seedance with around 23% discount available. You can purchase and start using it easily, because honestly, there is no platform like this. All right, viewers, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and especially our focus on Higgsfield MCP. I hope it helped you a lot. Just one image and multiple ads generated in one click. That's powerful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video with another amazing idea. Till then, goodbye.